Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy lemon tiramisu. This delightful dessert combines the classic Italian treat with a bright, zesty twist. We will go through each step, from preparing the fragrant lemon syrup to crafting the rich mascarpone cream. You will learn to layer these components with delicate ladyfingers, creating a refreshing and impressive dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a truly simple and delicious experience. First, let's create our zesty lemon syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with half a cup of granulated sugar. Add the freshly squeezed juice from 2 medium-sized lemons to this mixture. Gently bring it to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and allow the fragrant syrup to cool down entirely. This ensures your ladyfingers absorb the perfect amount of flavor. Next, we'll prepare the star of our tiramisu, the creamy mascarpone filling. In a bowl, beat 2 large egg yolks with 1/3 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of rich mascarpone cheese until the mixture is smooth. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream to stiff peaks. Carefully incorporate the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture, creating a light and airy texture. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Quickly dip about 24 ladyfingers, one by one, into the cooled lemon syrup, ensuring they are moist but not soggy. Arrange half of these soaked ladyfingers in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread half of your creamy mascarpone filling evenly over this first layer. Repeat with the remaining ladyfingers and cream. Cover the dish and chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.